Good morning guys. Good afternoon sa Pilipinas and good night somewhere. I'm very early in the morning. Ganito pala ang mga vloggers, no? You have to wake up early. My God. But it's good for me because I'm feel young. Kaysa nakahiga lang maghapon. Andito ako sa General Street namin, which is General Ricardo's. I'm waiting my friends. We rent a van for Gonita. Pinoy ang driver. And I'm going with my little sister at mga inaanak ko sa Binyag and the husband and cousin. Yun. Dahil yung mga anak ko wala, nasa Puerto Ventura. Mga gala, I don't know where is Puerto Ventura. I don't know. Nandun sila, nung Biyernes pa lumabas. Hubby's working, kaya hindi makasama. Uy, bakit may ganun? Ba't may sumingit? May sumingit na vlog. Ito ang aming General Street. Ayun ang supermercado, Aldi. And my house is there. Doon ang bahay ko, doon. Doon pa. Dito ako sa may fruits and Mercadona. I'm waiting for them. Balot na balot si ate, green na green. Merry Christmas. Sa Sunday, we are duty. Mag-serve. Ba't kanina may sumingit na ano? Okay, I'm waiting for them. Maybe in 10 minutes they are here now. Ayan si ate. Naggagala. Madaling araw. Boy, no madaling araw is 7 o'clock naman ako umalis sa bahay ko. Kasi sabi 8 o'clock ako pipick upin. Kaya 20 minutes pa lang naman ako naghihintay. And this is my street. No traffic at all because it's early in the morning. Ayun. Kanina mayroon umano. Balot na balot ako guys because it's very cold. Ang abrigo ko is like comforter. And I have shoes para hindi madulas. Okay, bye. Updates ko later. Please watch my videos. Thanks a lot.